Celtics update. Friday, November 29th, 2013, the Boston Celtics put on an all-out effort against the Cleveland Cavaliers after Thanksgiving. After a valiant effort loss to the Memphis Grizzlies Wednesday night at TD Garden, the Boston Celtics host the Cleveland Cavaliers after Thanksgiving night at Boston's TD Garden here. And the Celtics in the first quarter got out of the gates fast like Speedy Norris. Out of the gates fast as they built an 18-2 lead in the first quarter, and the offense finally showed its colors as the Celtics built a 28-10 first quarter lead over the Cleveland Cavaliers. And then in the second quarter, the Celtics continued to show the offensive approach as the Celtics built a 55-39 comfortable halftime lead. And then the Celtics
May 19th.
lead is now up to 79-58 through 3 quarters after the Cavaliers cut it to 10 somewhere in the third quarter. And then the fourth quarter, the Celtics played conservative basketball as they dominated the game from start to finish, as the Boston Celtics, in an all-out effort by Jeff Green, who led the Celtics with 31 points, and Avery Bradley's second in the Celtics scoring department tonight with 21 points as the Boston Celtics defeat the Cleveland Cavaliers 103-86 to go to 7-11 on the season for the Cavaliers. In the losing effort, the high-point man was...
I just said it because that son of a bitch slept with my girlfriend.
Dion Waiters with 21 points in the loss for the Cavaliers. Next up for the Boston Celtics will be tomorrow night in Milwaukee for a date with the Milwaukee Bucks, who are now on an 11-game losing streak after starting 2-2. They have lost 11, so this should be an easy test for the Celtics. Okay, let's take a look at our other NBA action tonight. In Charlotte, the Charlotte Bobcats defeat the Milwaukee Bucks 92-76.
Good for all of us.
In Orlando, San Antonio Spurs defeat the Orlando Magic 109-91. 19 points for Tim Duncan in the win for the Spurs. In Toronto, it was the Miami Heat defeated the Toronto Raptors 90-83. LeBron James 27 points for the Heat. In Atlanta eked out a win over the Dallas Mavericks 88-87. Jeff Teague 25 points for the Hawks, while Dirk Nowitzki 16 points in the loss for the Mavericks. With 8 seconds left in the fourth quarter, Los Angeles Lakers are leading the Detroit Pistons 104-102. Out in Houston, the Houston Rockets are annihilating the Brooklyn Nets 101-73. Out in Oklahoma City, it's the Golden State Warriors leading the Oklahoma City Thunder 82-79. Out in Indiana, it's the Indiana Pacers are leading the Washington Wizards 82-61. Out in Philadelphia, New Orleans Bobcats leading the New Orleans Pelicans are leading the Philadelphia 76ers 99-85 with 7:24 in the fourth quarter. Out in Denver, Denver Nuggets are leading the New York Knickerbockers 45-41 with 2:26 left in the second quarter. Out in Utah, it's the Phoenix Suns leading the Utah Jazz 58-47 with 1:38 in the second quarter. And Los Angeles Clippers and Sacramento Kings will get underway in a minute. They're out in Sacramento. How about those Celtics?